The John Deere corn harvester is a highly advanced and efficient piece of machinery designed to simplify the process of harvesting corn. Known for its durability and innovative technology, the John Deere corn harvester helps farmers maximize their productivity while reducing the time and labor required for harvesting. This machine is engineered with powerful engines and cutting-edge features, such as its adjustable headers, which allow it to harvest corn at varying heights and row widths, making it suitable for different types of fields. One of the standout features of the John Deere corn harvester is its unique auto-track system, which provides automated steering to help maintain precise rows, reducing operator fatigue and increasing harvesting efficiency. Additionally, the machine comes with a grain harvesting system designed to minimize kernel loss, ensuring that more of the crop is collected and less is wasted. The cab of the John Deere corn harvester is designed for comfort and visibility, featuring a spacious area with ergonomic controls and a large screen that provides real-time data on crop yields and machine performance. This allows operators to make informed decisions while working in the field, improving both efficiency and the quality of the harvest. John Deere has also focused on making their corn harvesters environmentally friendly. The machine is built with fuel-efficient engines that reduce emissions and operating costs, making it a sustainable option for modern farms. With a reputation for reliability and performance, John Deere corn harvesters continue to be a popular choice among farmers looking to streamline their operations and improve their bottom line.